It's your boy Majah Vernon, J.I.K., Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Welcome back, y'all. It's the 100 Day to 100K challenge. I'm gonna give y'all three things that you should be doing right now to make your challenge successful, get yourself out there, and continue to rise and meet the expectations that you're setting for it. So, first thing, mindset. Gotta change your mindset, man. You gotta believe, and with that, you have to constantly monitor what you're putting into your subconscious, as well as surroundings and the words that we saying and things like that. You 100% you got to change the mindset, man. You can't set out on a new journey, a new life, and with the same old mindset. One thing I did was I totally shut off everybody, man, and I just engaged in learning. A couple different resources. Definitely social media. Social media will definitely help you. YouTube, as well as any type of network meeting or anything that you can find in your local area to where you can actually get out, network, and kind of put yourself in an environment to with like-minded people. So first, mindset. Got to change the mind, man. Uh, Second thing you got to do is network. Networking is definitely going to be one of the biggest things that will help you in your journey. Um, Now, everybody have a different role, but for some are a lot mobile than others. So it just all depends on your journey, where you're at, and how you're looking to move forward in the challenge. Uh, if you're able to get out, socialize, and do things like that, then obviously going, networking and different meetup groups, REI groups, anything in your local area, as well as Zoom meetings. Uh, all information should be good at this point. Just don't accept that one person's method will ultimately be the best method. Right now, if you're in a learning stage, trying to consume enough information to where you kind of understand just the smallest level of concept, wholesaling, rehab, and so on and so forth. So, and networking will definitely help you do that, getting your own ideal as far as what are you looking to accomplish. Some people have different financial statuses and things like that, so all of that plays a very important role in this challenge. If you have a budget, that will help. If you don't have a budget, then your maneuvering is going to be a little bit different than somebody who say, okay, I can invest $3,000 to $5,000 to propel and make this challenge successful. So know where you at, mindset, networking, and third thing that I would say to help you have a successful challenge is utilizing the uh, websites out there that um, something like a Zillow. A lot of people don't like Zillow, but Zillow has and actually a lot of Zillow um, data, a lot of it is off market. It does. It's a good resource. A lot of people don't like it. If I had to use a free content or a free data source, Zillow would definitely be one. Even though I know a lot of people might frown upon it, but a lot of the data comes from the multiple listing services. A lot of it is third party, but far more if you compile it in the right manner and compare apples to apples and get the full data and not just random hits and misses, then Zillow can be a very successful tool with running comparable analysis and also finding leads. So it's also a great source to find a lead. So a couple different things, man. Got to change your mindset. Put in the good stuff. Put in the good stuff. Keep refreshing yourself on an hourly, by couple times a day, every 4 or 5 hours. Keep consistent awareness of the things that we're telling ourselves. In order to change your life, man, you definitely got to change your mindset. For me, I cut out everything, environment, and just dove into it. And ultimately, that was one of probably the best moves because it filled me. I had nothing but time to study real estate, study different methods, and ultimately that gave me a wide variety of which avenue I can actually go down. You know, networking through social media, through YouTube videos, um, anything where you can actually put yourself in an environment where everybody have a consensual target or a consensual goal or thing that they're trying to accomplish. That helps a whole lot as well. And then utilizing some of the free platforms, Zillow, Craigslist, Realtor.com, some of these free content places where you can actually also get free leads as well as get data for looking up property. Getting yourself familiar with what's the ARV, what's the property prices in my area. So um, use those three things, man. Mindset, networking, free websites, free content. And this 100-day, 100K, whatever you want to call it, challenge, you know, we're going to keep going. We're going to keep striving. I'm giving you the news, the blues, and the clues to get your money right, man. This your boy. See you at the next one.